Bro, he's got Sonic the Hedgehog on his back. Hey, Musa, that BMW. Right here. Man, I haven't smelled that in a minute, bro. Yo, that's crazy. What's she like gonna do? She ain't gonna do nothing. Yo, look at this OG wagon. What is that Raptor doing, bro? Yo, what the hell? Scat, baby. Man. Leave it to the Mopar people after this point. Oh, here we go again. BMW M5 is coming back. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Okay, Blackwing, right?
Blackwing? G8 Blackwing, what? They called the G8 a Blackwing? Bro, what? Or are they calling this a... It's not even a Blackwing, bro. I got in the way. What is Susan about to do? Hey, spin that bitch! Freaking dodge on. Wait, watch out, watch out, watch out. Sounds horrible. Some action out here. Oh man. Oh, this G8. He's about to do something crazy. Yo, he started spinning it. He started spinning his body. Crazy, crazy, crazy. He started spinning it, bro. Man, this is all action out here. Uh-oh. What's the Hellcat gonna do? Oh my god. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Y'all gotta watch out, y'all gotta watch out. Hi, TJ. I see you, bro. Shout out, that's my guy, TJ. That's a Stoli for sure. Flash Hawk 810. Oh no. Hey, yo, there's too much. Too much going on around here, bro. There's too much, bro. Hey, Adam, what do you think, huh? What do you think?
Honestly, that was like the best thing that happened all day. Oh, he's right there, look. He's doing it again.
No way. Bro, it's an older guy too, bro. He is not here. He is not here. Oh my god. He's about to dip.
Oh my god.
It's getting worse. Hey, it's getting bad to worse. That's insane, bro. Sorry. What do you think?
This is crazy.
Yeah, absolutely. I got it all on camera.
I need that video, bro.
The owner's about to be so pissed. This place.
I got this part. Did you get it when it was like?
I was like a little bit more far back. But I got the whole thing
I need that
though.
video.
I got you. Hey, let me hear the Honda. Exactly. Hey, let me hear that Mustang. I got this. Hey, Unc, let me hear it. He's not gonna do anything. They're on to him. They're on to him, yeah. Not yet. They're about to come. Yeah. I can taste the rubber in my mouth. Ugh. It's been so long though. That's the thing. Yeah, literally. Got a lot of people out here.
We would never do anything like this. We are civilized people. Never illegal, no speeding, no nothing.
Listen, he drives a Mercedes, so that's why he's saying that. You drive a Mercedes, that's why you're saying that. Fair enough, fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'll be back. Damn. Dang. Oh, that's Moody. How did he get out? I'm staying in the street, bro. Hey, we're gonna stay in the street. Hey, it's live, bro. It's too lit.
Live?
It's too lit, bro. I like this. At the same time,
It
hopefully.
actually turned out to be one of the best weekends.
Yeah.
Summer's over, but
Well, I literally just came back from Texas 2 weeks ago. Crazy. You're on camera. Hey, he's good. Oh, he's about to scrape. He's not scraping. Never mind. Hey, spin the Jeep. Hey, take it back to the dealership, bro. Turn in that lease. Hey, watch out. Damn. Hey, yo, what the heck? Hey, watch out. Hey, let's hear it.
I don't hear a siren. It's like.
Hey, cops are pulling up. Don't throw it out.
Oh, looks like the cops are coming. Hey, slow down with your lease. Slow that lease down. Hey, go ahead. Dang, bro. Yeah, it looks like it's getting shut down now. It's a McLaren.
This way.
Rohan.
Angle. No. It's not an angle. I know how to drive too. Let's go. Hey, I don't want you to be arrested. Thank you.
Yeah, I got this. This is crazy. What the heck is that, bro? It's disgusting. Yeah, it's getting bad. Good thing my car's not on the way. Or like the other nice cars are on the way. So the owners they're initially getting upset, especially with the stuff that just happened, but what can you do? Can't control people's actions, you know, especially with random people that came out of nowhere. Cop, yep, that's a good idea. Hey, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. What happened to that the green Mustang? What happened to it down there? What happened?
So there's 3 kids in it. They did a whole drug test and everything. I think they failed.
Oh no.
For me, you really can't see shit. But
Yeah.
those 3 kids are now walking away.
Walking away.
Back now.
Yeah. There's this tow truck. Wow. So is he like under the influence?
Probably.
He's got 2 cops on him. Wow.
Hey, if you're not sober and you don't pass the test, they wouldn't take your car.
Yeah, no, 100%.
Fuck. Kids, don't do drugs.
Yeah, you guys heard it here.
Just get beat by your dad and be a good kid.
Oh, okay, yeah, that,
like that.
yeah. Holy crap. Dang, yo, that's.
Yeah, the mom just picked them all up.
Oh my God, bro.
That SUV right there.
Hang on, let's get the camera in focus. Where's the SUV? Oh,
The Suburban.
Suburban. Wow, dude, they're getting the
Mom's
Mustang.
pissed.
Mustang's getting towed, yo. They took the key. The cops took the keys and everything. That's crazy. Wow.
Well,
So that happened,
really good
guys.
meet.